Alright everybody, in this one we have a 2017 GMC Sierra. Issue is, apparently, it runs extremely rough when you start it up. So, make sure that the volume's all the way down on the audio. Let's start this guy up. Oh. Oh, it's not even starting. Oh. Oh man, that feels like if it's running on like maximum maybe 4 cylinders. Okay. Check engine light and everything is coming on. So I already have the X tool hooked up. Yeah, I don't think that this guy's going to be starting. Okay, so we're going to go automatic. And we're going to go from there. It's extremely hot out here. Stability track. Alright, so let's do our usual. Go through all the systems. See what codes are relevant to why this car might not be starting. And start a diagnostic from there. Alright, so we have 13 codes in the system. Little bit of backstory. This client went out on vacation, came back. When he got back, his gas cap was open, and then the car didn't want to start. So, because somebody have done something with his fuel, it's very, very possible. We can't really say no. I think this is an M5X. I got all the numbers up there, but I only need the engine right now, so let's see what we can find. Okay, read trouble codes, DTC display, fuel trim system, lean, car start rough idle, fuel trim cylinder balance bank 1. Alright, so we do have some fuel trim issues. Circuit low, voltage low, low voltage. The lean codes will end up causing that. Now, why would this be lean? Okay, so we're gonna go report. We're gonna go save. Yes. So that would make sense why the vehicle's not starting if everything is excessively lean. We'll exit that. Wish I could get it started. We'll go to live data. I want fuel system, fuel trim data. See what my fuel trims say right now. It's cold, so I don't know. Yeah, see, long-term fuel trim was adding 25 and 25. So I think that this is maxed out right now. Let's try to see if I can't get this started. There we go. A little bit. Nothing. Alright, so the fuel system is too lean right now. So, what we're gonna do is validate that. I don't like that there's O2 sensor codes either. So, we're gonna go with a basic no start situation, I guess. So, but we're gonna go with a cranking no start. So, what could be missing? Fuel and fuel spark compression. I don't think that we're having a compression issue. We're probably having a lean issue, that's for sure. I have half a tank of gas in here though. So, but I also don't like those O2 sensor codes because they could be messing up the system. Let's go look at our fuel alcohol content actually. Can we even see that? Math. There's no way to call his temperatures at 147 right now, that's for sure. Okay, it says we're only at 10%, so I'm not worried about that. If I was a little bit higher, then I would say yes, but not at that. Yeah, we're just gonna start with fuel pressure, I guess. That'd probably be the easiest one. Because we did have lean code, so let's start with fuel pressure and we'll go from there on this one. Where's my hood? Should be somewhere here now. There we go. All right, let's bring you guys out to the front. Extremely large vehicle. Okay. Now, fuel pressure. Let me go get something to stand on because I'm extremely short, so I'll be right back. Oh, you guys can't see anything. Oh, can I bring you guys somewhere where you can see? No, not really. Is this metal? And it is not, as usual. All right. That seems okay right there. Huh? You guys got a pretty decent view. So your fuel line's all the way in the back over here. We got to get a proper tool. There could have been mice that actually chewed something up too, but there's no code saying that there's an open circuit on the fuel pump, so that's why I'm not going down that direction right now. But the lean codes, yes. Okay. I'm gonna have to get in here. I got the tools, I just gotta get them first. This one is from Orion Motor Tech. It's a nice little kit, right? Pretty much has everything that you're gonna need to remove lines. Obviously there's gonna be ones on Fords and Chryslers that you're gonna have to buy the specific ones, but this will get you around most of the vehicles on the road today. So let's get in there and see if I got the right sizes. All right, so battery ended up dying. Sorry about that, guys. But I did get the line off, which is always good. Now I gotta try to find a way to take fuel pressure. There was almost no fuel that came out of that whatsoever. When I took it off, I was expecting to have a little bit more than what I did. I don't have the proper connection, so I find it weird that I don't have the proper connection, especially since I have a master kit. But anyway, we're gonna take and verify some fuel coming out of this. Hopefully, I'm just gonna take a bottle. It's not the most ideal, guys. I agree, but I gotta see if anything's coming out. So I just primed that and there's nothing that came out whatsoever. And again, I just primed it. So we might be dealing with a fuel pump issue here. Oh boys, that does not look good, guys. That does not look like fuel whatsoever in this system. I don't know what that is. Somebody probably does not like this guy very much. That's all I gotta say. I have no idea what that is. Let's take a little bit more. We'll crank it. But that is not fuel, that's for sure. Yeah, I don't know what that is, but we're gonna be emptying the tank on this one, guys. That's for sure. All right, so somebody does not like this guy. That's all I'm gonna say about that. In order to fix this. All right, everybody, so let's put this in perspective. Client leaves on vacation, comes back from vacation, notices that his gas door is open. Vehicle would not start or started very, very poorly. Had it towed to the garage. First checks, we noticed that there was codes for the system bank 1 and bank 2 being lean. There was also a bunch of O2 sensor code. So I decided to take and do a fuel sample, or check and make sure that there's actually fuel getting up to the rail first before going any further. There was fuel getting up to the rail, but as we can tell, there's pretty much no fuel in this system. So we're gonna have to flush a tank, or they're gonna get this tank flushed, put some fresh gas in it, and that should fix this vehicle. So for this one, there was no gas in it. So hope you guys enjoyed the quick video, and as always, I'll see you guys next time.
What's wrong with it? Ain't got no gas in it.